Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the form of popular web browsers and the Oppo A78. So the first one, Firefox, in this welcoming screen just click here, or if you have any tab opened before, click on the tab icon, switch to Zero Mask and add a tab. The next one, Adobe Edge, click on the tab icon, switch to the in private and click on the plus. The next, Chrome. In this web browser, just click here on the three-dot icon and choose New Incognito tab. The next one, Opera. Click Continue and skip. Okay, now click on the tab icon, switch to the private and click on the red plus to add a tab. And now your cookies, files, history, even the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it, thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment and goodbye.